I'm Abdulwedi Ayup. I'm Uyghur and the people who faced the genocide in China. And I'm a human rights activist and a poet. Mohabbat means love. Especially I love poems and I love poetry. Uyghur come together, sing a song and dance and telling jokes. There are cultural objects, for example, rugs and carpets and shoes and of course the scriptures. Because of this love of poetry and this love of music and song, and we are living as a normal human being in diaspora. Without that, it's hard to deal with this bad news and this Chinese transnational oppression and the fear. Zulum means oppression. I got arrested because I had my kindergarten in Urumqi and Kashgar. They suspect our mother language kindergarten, who are from 3 to 6 years old, as future terrorists and extremists and separatists. And that's why they arrested me and put me in prison. It is horrible because of the human dignity is nothing there. The problem is that people there and they lose their hope. Korkunç means fear. My brother Erkin Ayup, he got arrested in 2017, and my younger sister also got arrested in September. My sister sentenced 12 years, and my older brother Erkin Ayup, who sentenced 14 years, and his daughter Mihray Erkin got arrested after she returned from Japan 2019 June 18th, and she got killed in detention center in Kashgar, where I first arrested, and then her frozen dead body submitted to her mother 19th December 2020. Her upper lips has signs of biting, and her right ear was bleeded, and there were blood on her feet, and she was without underwear, and she was wearing a male uniform. Ümit means hope. I would like to ask you support the petition for my brother Erkin Ayup and my sister Sajida Ayup, and also for all Uyghurs who are detained and suffering in the camp.